Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe to Shopify. So, in order to do this, first of all log into your Stripe account and your Shopify account in different tabs. Now, simply navigate to Settings in your Shopify and choose Payments. Now, under the Choose a Provider option, search for Stripe. Now, you can choose Stripe card payments by selecting this and click on Install. Now, click on Install icon again. After you do this, a Stripe will be installed to your Shopify store. Now, it will instantly open up this page where you'll have to click on enter code manually instead, or you can just click on next after selecting this, where you'll have to basically verify your login. After you verify your login, a Stripe will be automatically connected to your. Now, you can also need to enter your publishable key and secret key from Stripe into your Shopify payment setup fields, and you can copy that from developers and choosing API keys on Stripe. Now you will see all your API keys. Just copy these keys and paste it on Stripe fields in the Payments tab on Shopify, and that will instantly connect your Stripe to Shopify. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.